How to use DoorDash alcohol delivery feature. First things first, launch the DoorDash application on your device. Now you simply have to log into your account by tapping on that human silhouette or at the login option at the top. Once you log into your account, you will find this navigation bar at the top. Scroll until you find the alcohol option. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you should be able to find all the stores that are located near you. You simply have to select any of this, and then once you tap on them, you will find all the drinks available over here. You can head to the alcohol section and then simply add them to your cart by tapping on this plus icon. Now once you add them, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this view cart option. Once you are done building your cart, then tap continue, go to the checkout option and fill in your payment details, and also make sure to agree to the legal terms. Now once you pay your bill amount, you simply have to now receive your delivery and verify in person. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.